I know we Asians have almost the same height, but there are people in, but there. Hello, it's me again. Did you know that there are 4 basic types of mattresses? Inner spring mattresses, memory foam mattresses, latex mattresses, and also hybrid mattresses. They all look the same, right? You know, rectangle, comfortable. Well, depends on how you define comfortable. Anyway, they do look the same from the outside, but from the inside, they are engineered to last long and for your comfort. Let's see how to choose the right mattresses for you. Number 1, your body shape. Women and men have different types of body shape. According to Michael Bruce, a clinical psychologist, women often have more of a dip in the small of their back. If you're a woman and you're a back sleeper, you should make sure that the mattress has latex or foam on the top. The key is to mind your spine alignment and for your good night's sleep. Number 2, your weight. Yes, your weight. Sorry, I know it's a sensitive issue, but I'm a fat guy myself, so it's okay. For a lightweight sleeper, softer mattresses are the best choice. A too firm mattress will cause shoulder pain and pain all over your body. Softer mattresses prevents the body from sinking into the mattress enough to ensure a good spine alignment. As for the heavyset sleepers, trust me, thicker mattresses are for you. If you choose softer one, you might sink and will put stress on shoulders and hips. This is bad because you will have back pains. It will cause your spine to curve and put pressure on your muscles and joints. So number 3, your height. How does this make any sense, you ask? I know we Asians have almost the same height, but there are people who are taller than the normal average Asian height. Most mattresses have a standardized size, one size that fits almost all. However, there are actually mattresses made for the people who are more than 6 feet tall. Some mattresses come in supersized XL version, more from twin to king. Alright, with that in mind, if you are looking for any home furnishing products or services, do drop by Lavi Home Furnishing to have a look. They might have the kind of mattress that you're looking for. That's all from me, and have a good day. Goodbye.